There we go. Hello. What do we say? Happy birthday, Kiana! We were sleeping? No, we weren't. We were up all night. And it's in the middle of the night right now, but we were up and we say, Happy birthday, Kiana! So when you wake up and you come see the videos, you got a cute little monkey mouse to look at. Happy birthday, Kiana! I was like, hi. Hello.
Wait.
Okay. Oh, she was standing. Make her stand. Whee!
She's mushy legs.
She's done standing. All right. So, Adelaide, wave hi. Hello. Let's say happy birthday, Kiana. Adelaide. Hey. Happy birthday.